Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds, and I have an update for you on the Make Michaels 3D panel. Okay, I know I said 3D, but it's really just the three-piece panel painting that Michaels has now come out with Make Market. And I brought, as you saw in my other video, the middle panel was off. So I wanted them to be aware of it so that they could either send them back or whatever. I brought it to their attention and we checked out another box and it is much better. They were very receptive to my concern, and I think I just got a cardboard cut. Oh, I hate them. Nope, I did not. It sure as heck felt like it. Nope. Close. Okay. So that's not even a, oh, I did. Not bad though. Very, very little. All right. So the first kit I got, I will show you, was this panel. Okay. All right. It's 1, 2. Remember, they also wanted to see what they look like. This is not real wood right here, but the sides are. Those are real wood. And it's a canvas that's been stretched over the side and stapled. So one of my subscribers suggested that I have my husband just remove the staples, reapply the canvas, line it up, and then staple it. Now that is an amazing idea, but like I told my friend at Michaels, I'm not about doing all that. If I buy something, it should be ready to go. So we checked out this one, which here are our drills and the hardware. And then you got your tool. And you got your instructions and your color grid. So you move all this out of the way. So rather than me bother Mr. Pampered to fix it, I just went to Michael's and shared what I discovered with them. They were really nice, really receptive, and they listened, and they were totally on board with what I was saying. So a non-diamond painter may not understand about the placement of the drills. And when they put these on the wall, they may think, well, I don't like this. It doesn't even line up. And they might not even realize it can be fixed. But I've also seen people take these 3 panels and kind of hang them like this. You know, not really lined up, or kind of like that. Then it wouldn't have been a big deal. Although my friend over at Michael said people that hang their tri-panels up kind of different like that, she said it hurts her brain. So we're not going to expect you to do that. So we took out this one and I checked. So we're going to zoom you in. This has got a nice line, as you can see, between the last drill line and here. And it's got that all the way across. And then down. got it all the way across. And the same with this one. All the way around. Okay? It's all the way around. And the same with this panel. So it's just going to be a quick video. All the way around. So when you hang it up, it will actually look the way it's supposed to. Because all the diamonds line up. All the diamonds, when you hang them up, line up from this side all the way to this side. The way it's supposed to be. So, and now we're going to take a look at the drills. Because I didn't do that in that other video because I knew I was taking it back. Now, just an FYI, Michaels and Diamond Dots are related. They are related. I don't know if they're distant cousins or what have you, but they are related. So, just wanted to share that. So let's look at these colors. And we're looking for special drills. Here we go. So far, I don't see any special drills. I do see pretty drills. But I don't see anything special. Now, the Diamond Dots kits or Brilliance Art, I don't know who makes them, but they're at Walmart. They're the 3-panel paintings at Walmart. They have crystals in them. And these by Make Market do not. And this is a round drill. Yep, no special drills. But I could put special drills. I mean, if you look at these bags, these are very close to the way Diamond Dots packages theirs. So that's why I was asking when I was there. I'm like, are you related to Diamond Dots? And she said yes, they are related to Diamond Dots. So they're probably a distant cousin or something. So yeah. So these are the colors. And my husband wants this kit completed. I don't know where he wants to put it, but he picked this one out. I don't know if he just picked it out so that there would be one to pick out, just to pick it out. I don't know. I don't know how the man thinks. So, uh-oh, he's here. Nope, not no more. Now you have your brain.
So I have a question for you.
Okay, maybe I have an answer. I don't know.
I want to put the pork in this.
Okay.
Unless you have, remember the ceramic pan like you would do a turkey in that has a tray that you elevate the turkey
We don't
in?
have one of those.
Okay. So then I will.
Yep.
I don't like the idea of messing this up. Thank you.
You're welcome. Glad I could help. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4. 4. Guys, I think I figured out I got them back in. So this does have pretty colors, no special drills. Put in the comments if you think I should put some special drills in. Go ahead and put that in the comments. Let me know. Okay, we don't need that, but we do need that in there. All right. So, let me fold this down. Whoops. Yeah. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Come on. Go. Stay down. Nelly. Stay down. Whoa, Nelly. Okay, so we got 2 in. Two. Ha, 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 ha. And I'm just going to put this in that way. Nope, not going to do it that way. I am going to put that in that way. And I'm going to put this, because this is mine. This isn't going back. Okay. So now you know, if you have a problem with Michaels, with anything that you buy there, don't be afraid to go to them and say, hey, I've got an issue. Can you help me? So she understood what I was saying, and I'm not sure what they're going to do with it, but that's not my concern. But they definitely saw what they saw what I was talking about. They understood, and no problem. I went and I grabbed another one. No questions asked. But they were curious as to why I wasn't happy with it. They know I buy a lot of diamond art there, so they were very curious as to, and they said they would have never noticed that that was an issue if I didn't tell them about it. So, okay, that is what I have. I am pampered with diamonds, and I want you to be kind to everyone you meet.